Hello traders, it is Sunday here, about noon, so very close to the Sunday lunch. And today I will present again, I haven't too many times, but this is at the moment, after I reviewed all your reaction and all my results and the accuracy, everything. This is most probably top one strategy which I haven't showed too much, but it is really fantastic. Today market is closed, but when I open the chart we get signal, trend, buy. So this is mostly trend strategy, and the best results we can get on higher time frame, like minimum 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and it is super accurate, because we need, as you can see, not repainted arrow. I guarantee, guys, this is not repainted arrow. For example, one example here, when you get not repainted arrow, then you look for free confirmations, and this is not confirmations just like that. First one is 2 EMA. One is quicker, this line, and this ticker is slow. So the first confirmation we need to have is that this quick is crossing under the slow one. This is MA. Moving averages are one of the most used help indicator in trading. Then another one, top MACD. We have a red one, it is slow, blue one, blue line, it is slow, this is quicker. So here we need two things, that both are under the zero line. So blue must be under zero of the blue, red must be under zero line, this is a red line, and this is not triple confirmation, but it is more, and the red line for sell must go, red MACD line must go under the blue. Of course, we need Heikin-Ashi candle to be red with the wick only down. This is extra confirmation. You don't need to wait for it, but it is, let's say, additional safety. After you can see all this, you can immediately open the trade, or at latest wait for another candle to open next, and at the very beginning you will open the trade. You see, now I open the charts, but you see it was automatically given by software. If we are now in trading, but you see markets are closed, everything is not moving except little bit crypto, so we get signal here, but we would not enter the trade, because I forgot to say here, when you enter, the last confirmation should be, this should be 50-60 in red for sell, but it was, I don't know, 5 days ago, and this is showing what is now, not what is in history. So arrow plus free confirmations, arrow, moving average, MACD, and this trend signal, trend strength. So now, if we are now in trading, we have this, okay, it is crossing, this moving average 8 is crossing moving average 21, okay, first confirmation. Second is okay, red MACD crossed a red line, but blue one, no. And this is red, so we would not take here if we are now in live trading. Also, I tried here to enter, you see, I think it is a good signal on a Ripple 1 hour. I was a little bit late, but nevertheless it is just for the video. FORTIX arrow, not repainted. Then moving average is quick one under the slow one. These both are under these lines, and this is 60. So it is good to be traded. Although Sunday crypto, even crypto is very slow today. You see, it is not quick. We need such a moment. But okay, I will put stop loss few pips over the latest high. This is it. And guys, minimum 1 to 1.5 or 2 take profit, or you will find latest low. This is latest low. You see, on your chart there is no lower point. This is the latest one, and here you put, but it must be minimum 1 to 1, minimum. If not, if you don't have latest point, you put 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 even. So you see, we are already in the money. It is a small pips, a lot size for this crypto, but it is just an example. Let's see Litecoin, USD Swiss franc. It was on Friday, but you know, we'll trade here and here. Very clearly you can see it. You see. Let's see Euro USD. Latest trade, we would take it, of course, when we get FORTIX signal. And I repeat, this is 100% not repainted. When you see it, you check if the quick moving is crossing slow moving average. Yes. Number one confirmation. If both of MACDs are over 0. Yes. And the red one is over the blue. Yes. And then it was 10 of December. You need this to be 50 minimum. I need, if I want to be very safe, over 60% in buy, in up. And then you are safe to trade. Then you cannot lose practically. You see, guys, here that even if we forget all confirmations and we need 4 free, without arrow free, that even these arrows itself are making the money, except here. But you need to be patient. Why not to be safe? You see this. It is easy, in 10 seconds you check it. Not repainted arrow, moving average, quick is, if you don't know which is quick, put arrow here, you see this is quick, 8 and 21, it is under slow one. It is, a red line is, MACD is under a red line, 0. And blue is also coming back under the 0. And red is under the blue. Red MACD line must be under. And guys, it was October the 3rd. You see, 30th. So at that moment we would need also this to be in red 50, 60 or higher. And only then we'll enter the trade. So you see how easy it is and safe. Imagine this is, guys, all not repainted arrows. Even if you don't have anything, you see 90% of trades will be anyway in the money. Let's see gold, my favorite. Gold, latest trade on November 24th. We have arrow, not repainted. Red is over the red, MACD. Blue is over the blue here, slow one. MA is crossing slow MA. And here, if you had 50, 60, still this is on the border. You see here, fantastic trade. Still in action. 2,800 pips. So you don't rush anyway, you wait. Here also. Whatever we take, you see New Zealand. Fantastic trade, fantastic. So we are here in November. Everything is set up. Not repainted arrow. Moving average quick over the slow. Red over the blue and crossing zero line. Plus in November, if we had this in blue, 50, 60, blue in buy, it is green here, then you will take a trade. Silver, I put it on daily. You see, everything confirmed. Arrow, this is over the slow. MA quick is over the slow, MACD red is over and crossing red line, blue is crossing blue line. This, I don't know, if this was 50, 60 minimum, then you could take a trade. So many examples. Oil, SP, cash, 500. So this is you see, very daily long trade from the April. You would make fantastic profit up to here. You will exit at latest when, if you are in buy trade and this become red, or this are moving average is going under the zero, or this MACD or moving average is going under the zero, or this is in red. But finally when you get opposite arrow. So guys, why I'm talking this to you? You know, this I haven't showed too much, but this is probably the best and the safest strategy for long-term trading. Not only long-term, you can use it on 1 hour, why not? You see, maybe on, I don't know, 50 minutes for scalping. You see here trade, 50 minutes, exit, 60 minute expiry if you trade binary. You can trade binary even. But you must have the same confirmation both for long-term and short-term trading, scalping. But it is imagined to be mostly trend trading strategy, you see. Daily. You see, this is the latest. We here could enter the trade. It was in November, we don't know what was the trend, but arrow plus this is crossing, quick one, MA crossing slow, this is crossing, red is over the blue, and if this was